Asuntoskäyttö Espoon Onnetor.
Today it's the 10th of October 2022 and we have Ristihaantie, Korshagsvägen. One stake is beans here in Koivuhovi Björkgård, close to Kauniainen Grankulla, here in Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo region, Uusimaa, Finland. This was constructed between 2004 and 2005. In the beginning of 2005, still by Otis too, with Otis 1000 pictures. With white portions, still very nice, but only the call buttons have been replaced here and the lights on the bottom panel.
Yeah.
And this interface has been 13810. It will be 20 years old in 2025. We expect it in 2024. Could have been a doghouse, but there was a place for it.
Yeah.
A space for it, but they didn't choose it. Second right, deserves it.
Yeah.
But of course, I think. I think this interior could have been a bit something else. It's so pale and white.
Yeah.
But it's still very nice. I think because of course in this type the toggles button was quite popular.
Yeah.
Even in the residential buildings.